Good afternoon. We are team number 6 and we're going to talk about river pollution in Nuevo León. The team members are Edgar Méndez Hidrogo, Ana Cristina Monsiváis Torres, Constanza Murillo Hernández, Lucy Verónica Navarro Rodríguez, and Daniela Montalvo Olivo. In this integrative learning product, we will be seeing in more detail what is the pollution in the rivers in question and why all this is generated in the state of Nuevo León. We will also be presenting our proposal and solutions to this problem. The end of this is to try to reduce that we continue to influence the pollution of the rivers since that also affects us.
The principal causes of river pollution are chemical products like heavy metals such as arsenic, cadmium, chromium, copper, nickel, lead, mercury, cobalt, and zinc. Municipal waste that include items such as food, plastics, and sanitary waste. Waste from the paper industry that produce the third largest industrial pollutant in the water. From companies producing alcoholic beverages and dairy products and oil.
In this graph, we can see the first that was obtained in 2002. We can see the type of major garbage produced. As we can see, the major type of garbage was the paper products with a 47 percentage. In second place, we have glass with 20 percentage, and in third place, the metal with 10 percentage. As we can see, the paper products are the most produced, and that is so bad because that type of garbage go to seas and that affects the life of the sea. Also, in 2014, we make a test of to the people of which topic did they want to solve, and we were surprised to see that the most interest topic was the contamination problem. So we can see that the people is interested in solve the contamination because they see that problem every day, and that is so worrying.
Our first solution about this problem is preventing people from entering rivers or consuming food nearby. With this, we will stop people from eating in this place and garbage will no longer be produced near them, in addition to also preventing people from going in there. Why? Because people think that going to the rivers is not a problem, but it's a big problem. Families probably go on weekends or on vacation, and they usually go and eat there. We know that the families leave their garbage and normally go swimming in the rivers, and many of them go to the bed. With this solution, all that will stop, all pollutant will stop and being produced near them. And then we have one example about the contamination of the Pesquería River.
El día de hoy también nos enteramos acerca de la situación por la que atraviesa las márgenes del río Pesquería. Es una situación que hemos venido reportando ya con anterioridad, pero hoy se hace una advertencia, el peligro que tiene el río Pesquería de convertirse en un foco de infección.
El río Pesquería en el municipio de Escobedo representa un peligro de convertirse en un foco de infección por las pésimas condiciones en que se encuentran sus aguas. Un claro ejemplo del grado de contaminación que enfrenta son los miles de peces muertos a la orilla del río. Vecinos y carretoneros han convertido en un tiradero de basura este río, lo que ha provocado se mantenga sucio este ecosistema y con malos olores, además de que pueda llegar a convertirse en una zona de alto riesgo para los habitantes que viven a sus orillas.
Es muy peligroso para los niños. Los perros toman agua y hay perros muertos. Los niños se quieren bañar, pero los corremos y se enojan. Yo cuido que nadie ande agarrando agua de esa.
Esta situación mantiene en alerta a quienes viven a la cercanía del río, por lo que vecinos de la zona piden a las autoridades hagan algo por recuperar este espacio natural.
Me gustaría que se pusieran las pilas y que busquen en los arroyos porque están escondidas en las hierbas donde salen todo el químico de las fábricas.
Con imágenes de Antonio Ayala, Alice Vera, Noticieros Televisa.
Our second solution is creating campaigns showing the consequences of throwing garbage in rivers. This solution will be effective thanks to the fact that this campaign will show all the damage that we cause by throwing garbage into rivers, and thus be able to generate a change and improve the environment.
And our third solution is to apply huge and severe fines to those who pollute. We think that the people who pollute should pay a fine of 10,000 pesos, would be a good amount of money to because of they pollute. And in big cases where a person pollutes a lot, or in examples of companies, the companies who pollute a lot, a really big amount of pollution, those should go to prison for maximum 10 years. Should be a good time to pass there.
This project helped us to begin to become aware that by our own actions, this problem of pollution can continue and affect us all since water is something essential in our lives. We must change our way of seeing nature because many times we see it as a hindrance when in reality we depend on it and if we don't take care of it, we will have very severe consequences. Thank you for your attention.